Let's talk about crowns today. Crowns are very, very important and are generally needed when you have a large cavity, you've got a crack in your tooth, or you've had root canal therapy. At Ponce Dental Studio, we take a lot of pride in the crowns we make. Why? They need to look good, they need to function well, and they need to be cemented in correctly. Like a ship maker welding a ship together, we need to make sure that the juncture of the crown to your tooth is perfectly sealed. And before every crown that we cement, we double check that on multiple views of X-ray to ensure that it fits correctly. And then most importantly, we need to make sure it looks like a tooth. Your tooth, it needs to match the adjacent teeth, it needs to have harmony in your smile, and it needs to function aesthetically, look correctly. In our dental practice, we actually have the equipment and the mills that fabricate them. We design these crowns. We know the nuances of what your teeth look like adjacent. And more importantly, we know what this exact tooth looks like on the other side of your arch or the tooth above or below it, so that we make sure the design we have is harmonious and fits correctly. So with the ability to mill and fabricate these crowns for you, and the painstaking efforts we make to make sure that you've got the right seal, the right aesthetics, the right function, in our practice, we make sure that these crowns fit perfectly. And the dentist and the lab technician and the team that fabricates this crown for you is working hand in glove to make sure that happens. It not only increases the predictability and the accuracy, but you don't have to wait the traditional 2 weeks to ship something out, outsource it, fabricate it, bring it back in. It allows us to do everything underneath one roof in an efficient, quick way, so we ensure the correct fit and the correct function right off the bat.